All right, Vincent, what do we got here?
We got a box.
You got a box?
Yeah.
What's in the box?
I got that in it.
It's got that in it?
Yeah.
What is that?
I know.
What is that?
I know.
It's the right angle die grinder. You want to open it up?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Come on.
You know how to open it?
What?
All right, let's pull right here.
Okay.
All right, and I'll flip this up. There you go. Ooh.
Whoa. Eh.
All right, here, pull down on the box. All right, there we go.
Oh, got in here.
What's in here? All right,
Nothing.
unzip it. Let's see
Okay.
what's in here. It goes the other way.
Oh.
A little bit more. Whoa.
Whoa, what is it?
We got some papers. Here, let's put those in. Those are the instruction manuals.
But I want to read it.
You want to read it?
Yeah.
That would be good to do. What are those?
Through by you.
Screwdrivers?
Yeah.
Those are wrenches.
Yeah.
All right, what else we got in here?
We got this.
Look, here, let's open this up. Look, let's open this up. Whoa, what is this? Here, help me out. Here, grab that.
Yeah.
Whoa, what is that?
I don't know.
You're more interested in the books, aren't you? What does that say?
Wait.
Wow.
You got all. You get all these.
All those tools?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, those are all the M18s, aren't they?
Yeah. For you to catch.
So it looks like we're gonna have 2 batteries in here, right?
Yeah.
2 2.0 batteries, a charger.
Here we have.
Vincent, check this out.
Whoa.
Look, you ready?
I want to do that.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Here. Squeeze down on the handle. Whoa. Is that cool?
Yeah. Another box.
So that's it, guys. The angle die grinder. What do you think, Vincent? You like it?
Yeah.
What do you think? Does it get 2 thumbs up? 1 thumb up? Oh, 2 thumbs up.